Hey everybody, we're in the home stretch of 2018 and the November numbers just came out. In November, we're seeing sales are down almost 15%, but price is up 3.5% from the same time last year. The cause for this is probably the decrease of 26% of new listings. So buyers have a smaller pool of properties to choose from. But the biggest indicator is still, say it with me, months of inventory. Months of inventory is currently at 2.6 months. We can see the last 3 months is at 2.5 months, 2.6 months, 3.1 months of inventory. So the market is actually quite steady over the last quarter. A balanced market is between 4 and 5 months of inventory. So we're still technically in a seller's market. Let's take a look at the numbers in Mississauga. Mississauga's month of inventory is actually 2.1 months of inventory. Looking at condos, semis, and townhouses, Mississauga actually has 1.5 months of inventory for those segments. So these are pretty active seller's market type of properties. Detached market is the only one that's hovering above the GTA average at 3.3 months of inventory. What this is telling me is that there's opportunity for anyone in the condos, towns, and semis to upsize into a detached in Mississauga. Reach out to us if you are thinking of making a move in 2019. Get a head start now because we don't know about the anticipated interest rate hikes in the new year. As always, we're here to help and we'll see you in the next one.